Trinity early bird 5410. We're full dice roll 10 times on the dice. Letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 and 4 is 10. R up top. ES at the bottom. 10 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. David up top. Ben at the bottom. Let's sort them out. The Trinity early bird. There's your letters. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Trinity early bird. Good luck, good luck. Nice one up top. Goodness gracious. Really nice card up top. I think nice card at the bottom too. Probably some nice cards in the middle. I love this product. I think we got double RPA again. You love to see it. Empty case. Good luck. First up, Jackson Smith and Jigba, 42 out of 50 for the J Spot and Matt Pilch. There you go, Matt. JSN to 50. Next up, Deuce Vaughn, 19 out of 25. Oh, that is sick. That next card is nasty. And Deuce Vaughn, that goes to the D spot. And Ben Twining, 19 out of 25. We got Nike Team Patch, 4 out of 7 of Tanner McKee. Going to Matt Pilch. That card is sweet. Tanner McKee, 4 out of 7. On a Matt Pilch on the Nike Team Patch. Player worn. Tanner McKee going to Matt. This one's sweet too. Jalen Carter, 3 out of 7. The game day patch. What a nasty card there. J Spot Matt Pilch is dominating this break. Congrats to you, Matt. What a box to basically Percy. And Carter to 7, and then another one for the J Spot at the bottom, 20 out of 99. Goodness gracious, Matt Pilch had a break. Jalen Milroe to 99. Holy cow. Again, Ben got the deuce, but the rest of it all went to Matt Pilch. Jalen Carter to 7. Tanner McKee to 7. Deuce Vaughn to 25 for Ben. The pair of J's, Jackson Smith and Jigba and Jalen Milroe. On the autos for the J Spot, Matt. Congratulations. What a break for you, brother. That is the break. Thanks for the fill. Goodness gracious, that was a good break for you.